Hi guys, I'm Anna Casey. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a tour to a luxury Airbnb place located in Joshua Tree, California. But before we start, I want to kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and hit the bell button so you get notification every time I post a new video. California desert in the last couple of years has become a hype place for fashion photographers, content creators, influencers, celebrities to come out here and create. I often see on Instagram Kylie Jenner's and Kim Kardashian's photo shoots from Joshua Tree published in Vogue magazine. Desert landscape truly does look high fashion on photos. One of the reasons I like to create here is because I get this atmosphere of a luxury hotel but being completely isolated with nobody around, so I can just focus on creating cool content for you. This house features minimalistic interior design with open floor living room and kitchen. I really like floor-to-ceiling windows all throughout the living area. The house full of daylight and allows you to enjoy a beautiful view of the desert. Kitchen has all the appliances we need for the stay, and even, check this out, something that I have at my own place. Smack brand, so stylish. Large dining area, Bluetooth audio system. This house has a master bedroom and a guest bedroom with a full bathroom. Both bedrooms have king-size beds. The master bedroom has a large vanity area with a mirror and a concrete sink. Oh, and this is one of my latest beauty must-haves, fragrance by Dossier called Powdery Hawthorne that inspired by Tom Ford's Metallic. Dossier is a sustainable perfume company that makes dupes for some of your favorite high-end fragrances like Tom Ford, Jo Malone, Le Labo, and others at very affordable price. You can get 50 ml perfume from Dossier that inspired by your favorite iconic scent, starting at $29, and they're vegan and cruelty-free. At Dossier, they have a risk-free program that means when you order from them, the package comes with a tester, so you can try out the scent and if you don't like it, return and get a full refund. When you open the package, you see it has an info card that tells you all about the notes and inspiration behind that perfume. The fragrance that I got is inspired by Tom Ford Metallic and it's called Powdery Hawthorne. I also love a glass shower. The details are so cool. Let's go check out guest bedroom. This is the guest bedroom. Both bedrooms have large sliding doors, rooms full of daylight. Sleek and modern guest bathroom. Let's take a look outside. This house has an infinity pool and a hot tub with a mountain view. I'll be honest with you, I have to have a pool while staying at the desert because it's always so hot out here and it helps me to cool off and take a break in between my photo shoots. We will be enjoying desert sunsets sitting at this fireplace. It might feel creepy staying in the middle of nowhere by yourself, especially after watching all these Netflix episodes where they murdering people, burying them at the desert. But this property located in a secure gated area, so we're safe here. This house featuring carport out front and even a Tesla charger if you need it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!